Hello there everyone, this is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. In this tutorial video, we will learn how to write a very simple program to determine the days in a week using if-else statement in Java. Conditional statements are very important in any programming language. Java has no exception. It uses a wide variety of conditional statements just like if-else statement, switch. So here in sample program we will using if-else conditional statement. Before we start writing the code, if you like this video tutorial, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. So let's get started. I'm here in my Eclipse IDE. So what I will do is to go to default package, right click, select new class, days, week, days week, days week of the week. Click this one, the public static void main. It will generate the corresponding code. Okay, so what I will do is to copy this library file and then paste, delete. We can remove to make our code shorter, and then here we can copy the whole code and then we can make some changes along the way. So days of the week in Java. So example here, days, give a number, days, and then we can have here conditions. If we can change this one, instead of word past tense we can use the word day. If day equals 1, begin. We can copy this code and then we can have here it is Monday. Else if we copy then again the code, it is Tuesday. Oops, we can make it, there are 7 days in a week. Okay, so we can have here another copy, paste 2 3. Instead of Tuesday we can have Wednesday. Or Thursday. My favorite day of the week, Friday. We can clearly copy this one. 6, Saturday. And then we can have here 7th day, that is Sunday. But if the user give a day that does not belong to the given days, we can have here a message invalid day of the week. Okay, so we can save our work. So here, days of the week in Java. So our program will ask the user. Okay, wait, there is a bug. I forgot to include this command. Actually, cannot be seen. Okay, let's fix the problem. The scanner input days of the week. So for example, the user will give 1, it represent Monday, 2 Tuesday, 3 Wednesday, 4 Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, five is Friday, so we can remove this one. 6 Saturday, 7 is Sunday, and then here we can have here invalid day if the given day does not belong in a group. So we can run our code. So let's say for example 3, our program will give it is Wednesday. Now we can remove this one. We run it again. Let's say 6, it is Saturday. We run it again. Let's say for example 8, invalid day of the week and the program. Let's say 4, it is Thursday. Here we go guys, we have already done writing a program that uses if-else statement to determine if the given number by the user correspond to the day of the week. Before we end, if you like this video tutorial, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. I also give a link in the description below where you can download the full source code of this program and other source code in different programming languages to my 2 websites. Thank you very much guys for watching. This is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. Until to the next video tutorial, bye bye for now.